UN Day is celebrated on 24th October every year. The United Nations is an international organization founded in 1945 after the Second World War by 51 countries. It committed to maintaining international peace and security, developing friendly relations among nations, and promoting social progress, better living standards, and human rights. Its headquarters is at San Francisco in California in the United States of America. The main bodies of the United Nations are the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, the Trusteeship Council, the International Court of Justice, and the UN Secretariat. All were established under the UN Charter when the organization was founded in 1945. The work of the United Nations covers 5 main areas: maintain international peace and security, protect human rights, deliver humanitarian aid, support sustainable development and climate action, uphold international law. The UN's Chief Administrative Officer is the Secretary General, currently Portuguese politician and diplomat Antonio Guterres, who began his first 5-year term on 1st January 2017 and was re-elected on 8th June 2021.
The principal objective of the United Nations is to solve economic, social, cultural and humanitarian problems through an international cooperation. At present, the UN has in total 15 specialized agencies, each provide various functions. The most important agencies are as follows: United Nations International Children Emergency Fund, United Nations International Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, World Health Organization, International Labour Organization, International Monetary Fund, World Trade Organization, United Nations Development Programme.
The United Nations Children's Fund, or UNICEF, is an international organization. United Nations established UNICEF on 11 December 1946. In 1953, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund dropped the words emergency and international from its name. Then its name became United Nations Children's Fund. The current executive director of UNICEF is former United States National Security Advisor Anthony Lake since 2010. UNICEF has its headquarters in New York, United States of America. This organization has got Nobel Peace Prize for its work.
The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Culture Organization is a specialized agency of United Nations aimed at providing world peace and security through international cooperation in education, science and culture. The Director General of UNESCO is Adaury Azouli. The headquarters of UNESCO are in France and Paris. It has been founded in 16 November 1945 in London. It has 193 member states and 11 associated members. UNESCO sponsors projects that improve literacy, provide technical training and education, advance science, protect independent media and press freedom, and preserve regional and cultural history and promote cultural diversity. India has been a member of UNESCO since it has an inception in 1946. There are 32 cultural, 7 natural and 1 mixed property of 40 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India.
International Labour Organization is a United Nations agency whose mandate is to advance social and economic justice through setting international labour standards. It was founded in October 1990. It is the first and oldest specialized agency of United Nations. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Guy Ryder is its present Director General. The main aims of International Labour Organization was to promote rights at work, encourage decent enjoyment, opportunities, etc.
World Health Organization is a specialized agency of United Nations responsible for international public health. Its main objective is the attainment for people's highest possible level of health. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. It was founded in 1948. World Health Organization mandate includes advocating for universal health care, monitoring public health risks, etc.
The Chief Administrative Officer of the UN is the Secretary General. His term of office is 5 years. He is appointed by the General Assembly upon the recommendation of the Security Council. Let's know about the Secretary General of the UN. Mr. Trygve from Norway was elected the first Secretary General of the UN on 1st February 1946. He was followed by Mr. Dag Hammarskjöld of Sweden in 1953. The third Secretary General of the UN was Mr. U Thant from Burma. He held the office from 1962 to 1971. He was succeeded by Mr. Kurt Waldheim in 1972. The fifth UN Secretary General was Mr. Javier Perez de Cuellar from Peru. He took charge of the office from 1982 and continued till 1991. Mr. Boutros Ghali was the sixth Secretary General of the UN. He was an Egyptian and held the office from 1992 to 1996. The seventh Secretary General of the UN was Mr. Kofi Annan of Ghana. He held the UN from 1st January 1997 to 31st December 2006. He was succeeded by Mr. Ban Ki-moon from South Korea in 2007. He continued till 2016. The current Secretary General of the UN was Mr. Antonio Guterres from Portugal. He is the 9th Secretary General of the UN. His term began on 1st January 2017. He was re-elected for a second term beginning on 1st January 2018.
Now let's look into the role of India in maintaining world peace. India is a peace-loving country and has been a member of the United Nations from the time of its origin. As a founding member of the UN, India strongly supports the purposes and principles of the organization. Our country has always played a key role in bringing peace to various countries on war and thus fulfilling the objectives of the UNO. India has been an active member of the various agencies of the UNO like UNESCO, UNICEF and the WHO. India has contributed troops to the United Nations peacekeeping efforts in Korea, Egypt and Congo in its earlier years. It has also sent troops to Somalia, Angola, Haiti, Liberia and Rwanda in recent years, and more recently in the South Sudan conflict. So far, India has taken part in 43 peacekeeping missions.